guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nats and I hope everyone is happy, healthy and doing okay. Alright, so guys, today I'm taking you out on the streets of the city where I live. I live in Kumagaya City in Saitama, and today Adam and I are going on a little hunt for some new bicycles because I think I mentioned this on my IG stories. And guys, by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, you need to, because Instagram is where I share like the daily happenings when I am not on YouTube. So my handle is right here. If you're not following me, please go ahead and do so. So I did mention on my Instagram stories that my bicycle broke, and because of that, Adam's bicycle was the only one that we had to help us run errands and so on. And for some reason the universe decided that we both, like, if we're buying one bicycle, then we need to buy two bicycles. So Adam's bicycle just broke, and so we need two bicycles now instead of one. So we're on the hunt. We're going to the second-hand store today to try to find some cheap bicycles, because you know we cheap around here. So that is what we're going to do today. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. So if you want to see how we do just that, Adam is currently behind me trying to help me get some b-roll shots. So the same b-roll shots that you guys saw in the beginning of this video is what Adam is helping me get right now. So these are our bikes, guys. These are our bikes as of right now. They're pretty old and worn and wear and torn and all of those things. So we're just going to go on the hunt for another bicycle. So stay tuned. Guys, if you wonder why we do not go outside, this is the reason. I am hot. Oh my goodness, I had to take my thing off. Like, it's so hot. And we've only been walking for like what, 10 minutes? And we have like maybe 25 minutes of walking to go. So we're going to burn. I just want to take my wig off. Oh! Alright guys, so we are at Ian Mall right now trying to find some bicycles. Now Ian is a high-end-ish kind of store to get bicycles, but we just wanted to double check our prices so that we have an idea when we go to the second-hand store. So shoo before we go to the second-hand store to find a bicycle. So this is what inside of Ian Mall looks like. Bicycle that way. So this is a bicycle shop, guys. Like, you can find all the bicycles in here. See? Cycle shop. So guys, they have bicycles at all different kinds of prices. This one is not so bad. And here's one for 19,000. It's a black one, but it's only one basket. Oh, hey guys, so we're really liking these ones. It's for 17,380, and it has 6. Adam says this means that it has 6 different speeds, and it has automatic LED light. This is what it looks like. And it's also red, which means that it is perfect for me to take photos on it for my Instagram, because my Instagram feed is kind of red and blue and white. So I think I might get one of these red ones for myself, but Adam is shopping around. He's a tech guy. Yes, this is a very big basket. It can hold all the grocery bags. And it's blue, but this is the cost. 23. And it doesn't have different speeds. Can someone tell me why a bicycle is for 107,000 yen? What's so special about this bicycle? And they also have kids' bicycle here. We got a new bicycle owner, guys. and they are currently at the back fixing up and pumping the bicycle wheels. Is it a wheel? Tire and so on. Alright, so guys, we just bought Adam a new bicycle, and they said that we should wait 10 minutes while they like pump the bicycle tires and get it all set up. So when we get out of here, because I can't talk too loud, I'll explain to you what the process is like to get a bicycle bought in Japan. I hope you guys can hear me. I have to be speaking very softly. So now we're going to just walk around in this stationery shop to try to get some stationery for my business. The same ones that are in the dollar store, and look at how much this one would cost, and in the dollar store you could get it for like 110 yen. Alright guys, so this is Adam's new bicycle. I must be honest, I got jealous because I also need a bicycle, but I have not worked out the price to be in my budget for this month of spending. So my bicycle will have to wait, but I did decide that I wanted this same one. So this is the bicycle that we got for Adam. It has a very big size back basket, and the basket also extends, guys. So this is the actual base size, but we can turn this thing here. Wait, close it. So this is the base size, but if you have too many things, you can turn here and extend the basket to be a little more to be bigger, and I think that will come in handy for our grocery shopping. So imagine we have two bicycles like this with two baskets like this, plus we also have a front basket, so it will make grocery shopping way more easier. It has 6 different speeds at which you can ride at. I think, I don't know, Adam kind of will know the technicalities of the bicycle, but it is really cute, and it was not expensive at all, guys. We paid, in total we paid about, I think I have a clip of the final price. I think it was 21,000 something for this bicycle. And actually we were heading to the, we were going to head to the hard-off store, that is a second-hand store, to get a bicycle, but at the same time the prices I think would be the same for something that was used already, so we said might as well just buy something brand new. And my bra is showing, oh my god, brand new. So this is the one that we got. I'm very excited about it. As a matter of fact, I am going to be the one riding this home. So yeah, this is the bicycle that we got. So next up, I think we need to run some more errands. Of course, I'll take you guys with us and maybe get some lunch. I don't know yet, but it is so hot. My face is so sticky. God, I want to bathe. Oh, also in Japan, guys, you have to register your bicycle as if you are buying a car. So I am not sure if this is done in the US also. I know it's definitely not done in Jamaica. As a matter of fact, if you buy a bicycle in Jamaica, chances are you're going to have to put the light in. Chances are you're going to have to bring it home all by yourself, pump the wheels, put on your pedals and everything. But actually, when we bought the bicycle, the customer care representatives, they fixed it up, they put on the pedals, they registered it, they pumped the tires for us and all of that stuff. So you have to register your bicycle as if it were a car in Japan, simply because if you get stopped by the police, and yes, police do stop bicycle riders or cyclers or whatever the name is, police will stop you on the road if they see that you are breaking bicycle laws, because there are laws that govern riding a bicycle on the road. Adam has been stopped twice riding his bicycle so far living here. Guys, I am not sure if you were able to hear me a while ago because the mic was facing that direction, so maybe you could not hear anything that I was saying, but basically I was saying that you have to register your bicycle in Japan just in case you get stopped by the police. They can scan it and see that it is a licensed and registered bicycle and you are actually the owner, so they will ask you for your documentation just as how it would go if a police stop you for driving. They ask you for your documentation, they'll ask us for like our residence card, and then they'll scan to ensure that the bicycle is actually owned by the person presenting the residence card. So it's similar to owning a car here. As I said, cycling is a very popular method of transportation in Japan for residents and citizens, so the process is similar to owning a car. So I'm very happy that we got a bicycle for Adam because he actually has to ride Adam's Friday school, the school that he goes to on a Friday. It's like so far away from where we live, he has to ride for at least 45 minutes, and so last Friday he had to walk for about an hour and 20 minutes to get to his school because the bicycle broke Thursday night. So I'm happy that he got something, and I'll just wait until I can work my bicycle into my budget. So yeah, that is that. So we're going to head on and yeah, get some more things done. Well guys, we did a bit of a damage in the home store. We got a few things and I'll do a haul for you guys when I get home, but for now we're tired and hot, so we're going to head back to our apartment and then I'll do a haul for you guys. Then I'll get something to eat and then we'll see where the day ends. Alright guys, so we are back home. I am so tired. My glasses even feel lean on my face. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the stuff that I bought just now, a little haul for you guys. I do have the receipt here, but as usual I always say that all of the stuff is in Japanese, of course, and I don't necessarily I cannot necessarily read Japanese, but I have an idea of the stuff that I took up, so I might be able to use my memory to recall what exactly the price is for the stuff. Alright, so let us just go through this little mini haul. So the first thing that I did pick up was this this pot. Me and Adam, we are in desperate need of a new rice pot. So at first I wasn't so used to the non-stick pots, and then when I bought a pot, I didn't know that it was necessarily a non-stick pot, and so when I was washing it, I would like scrub it with Scotch-Brite, so the coating of course got damaged and so on. I would not use like silicone and wooden spoon like utensils inside there. I would use like stainless steel and like scrape it, so the coating got, it was not until I bought a couple more non-stick pots that I realized that this pot is not really cooking well. Like, it burns things very easily because the non-stick coating is scraped off. So I had to get a new rice pot, and I'll also cook like soups and stews and stuff like that in this pot. And this pot was for 1,380 yen. I specifically remember that price because I was saying a pot so cheap. However, as you can see here, it has 1 star out of 4, which means that the coating, the non-stick coating inside this pot will not last as long as like a diamond coating non-stick pan. So guys, like the non-stick pots, they all have different kinds of coating, and based on the coating, it really determines how long your pot lasts. So this is like at the bottom of the barrel, so we don't expect this to last very long, but I hope it does last until at least we are ready to move from Japan. So let me just show you guys what the pot looks like. I feel like this vlog is going to be a very long one, but I do hope that you guys enjoy it. If you enjoy and want to see more vlogs, guys, give this video a thumbs up and comment below so that I can know. It also tells YouTube that you like these kinds of videos, and it will prompt me when I go over my analytics. So this is the size of the pot. Very deep and can cook a whole lot of rice and soup. Alright, so that's it for that. The next thing that I got was this shelf, and it is just a regular bookshelf, extra shelf, because currently our kitchen island, which you would have seen in the apartment tour, it is just a bookshelf with like a flat top, and right now I need more storage space to hold some wine glasses and stuff like that, because I want to move the wine glasses from where we actually keep our drinking cups and so on. I want the wine glasses to have their own separate spaces, so I am not breaking things, because Adam can tell you I'm clumsy, I'm a klutz. So I bought this extra shelf so that I can put wine glasses and like kind of barware, like wine glasses and shot glasses or whatever, under there on this shelf. And this shelf was very cheap. It was for 545 yen. So that's how much US dollars, Adam? 545 yen, how much US dollars? Yeah, so about 5 USD or so. And of course, let's also move along. I also bought this, guys, and this is just a handheld mixer. So usually, you know, the regular types of hand mixers, we just hold them in our hand. Actually, I think we all know what a hand mixer looks like, but just in case, just to make reference, I'll insert a picture of one on your screen. But those are the traditional ones. So these ones are the traditional hand mixer, but of late I've been seeing a lot of these ones, and it's basically more handy, and it's basically like more sturdy in terms of mixing stuff. So I decided to get one. Like, I have hand mixer on my list, but I wanted to get one that would not take up as much space per se and would work just as well. So this is the one that I got, and it just basically has this piece here, and then it has the actual mixing part. So you just connect it like so, and this is what it will look like, guys. I don't know if the camera is focusing. So this is what it would look like, and of course you insert your batteries and then you just use this to stir or to mix whatever ingredients you have. So for like baking or just anything that you want to mix up, smoothies, very easier to use, I think, apart excepting like if you have money to invest in like a big kitchen aid mixer, then go right ahead. But right now Japan is not our forever home, so I'm not really looking into investing in big and expensive furniture or appliances. I just want things to get me by for right now. And I think this one, it's more of a heavy duty than the usual traditional hand mixers with the mixers. The little prongs are, I think, more thin and more easy to like break and stuff. So I prefer this one. Next thing that I got are these two, what would you call it? It's an aroma diffuser, and I got it in the scent jasmine, this one, and rose, that is the pink one. And these, I find that they stay around more. So it's basically just oil, and then you put these sticks. So there's some sticks that come inside of them. You open it and you put the sticks inside, and it's supposed to diffuse around your house, and while it diffuses, the oil goes down. So that's how you know that you should replace it when it is completely finished. And I find that in my house, at least, these are most effective, because guys, the little Glade ones and the little ones, they don't last long, and so I just think I'm wasting money every time when I get them. I want something that will last a little longer than 2 weeks. Alright, and the next thing that I bought were some LED light bulbs. Yes, guys, the light in the bathroom, I realized, I don't know if it's something wrong with the bulbs that we are using or the socket itself, but every time we replace a regular bulb, it dims over a period of like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I realized that the light is not as bright as it was when we just put it in. So I decided to buy some LED lights, because the LED lights are not supposed to get dim. They're supposed to be as bright as ever for as long as they last. So I decided to try some of these. So I'm going to replace all the lights in the bathroom with these LED lights. And for the toilet room and the shower room, I got these ones. These are not necessarily LED lights, but they are brighter than the ones. So these are 100 watt bulbs. The ones that we have are currently 40 watt bulbs, so I hope it makes a difference. And then after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, if it gets dim, I will know for sure that it is something wrong with the socket and not the bulbs that we are using. But these bulbs were very cheap. They were for $284 for these two, the two regular bulbs, and then the LED bulb was for 1,380 yen. Alright, and the final thing, guys, that I bought, and it's a big one, is this dresser drawer kind of situation. So actually I'm going to be revamping my wardrobe, my closet, and I'll do that in a separate video. But basically I needed some more containers to further organize my clothes. So yes, that is what this is for. And this was for 1,000 yen. I remember clearly this was for 1,000 yen. So that is all the things that I got on our little road trip today. And of course Adam got his bicycle and he's so very happy about it. And of course I'll have to buy my own bicycle soon, maybe next month or so. I just hope the red one is not sold out by the time I am ready to buy mine. So guys, for the rest of the day, I don't know what I'll be doing, but of course I am not ending the vlog here. I am just going to put away all of these stuff and try to get things organized and take you guys along with me. I honestly feel like this vlog is going to be a longer kind of vlog, but that's what vlogs are, guys. So if you're new and you're just getting into YouTube and you came across my channel, vlogs are technically long, and this is me trying to justify why my video is this long. Alright, so guys, this is my kitchen situation right now. Like, it's very messy. We have trash over there. We have stuff on the dining table to get washed. I have plates to put away and all of that stuff. So we're just going to have a happy cleaning up time inside of this kitchen right now. Guys, the lighting inside of this room is so bad, but that just comes with a vlogging. So right now it's 5:55 p.m. and I have to send my temperature to my company every single day. So I'm just going to, by 6 o'clock on weekends actually, and by 7:30 a.m. in the morning. So I'm just going to like take my temperature right now, and then I'm going to send in that and buy something to eat at maybe the convenience store or so. So yeah, this is where I think I'm going to end this video, because it has all, I have so much footage and I really don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, and I don't want to make it an hour long. So I'm going to stop the video right here, guys. If you did enjoy this vlog, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Until next time, bye guys. Do you want to say bye?
No, I have to say bye, right?
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Adam is setting up. What's wrong? Adam is currently setting up for his online class. Adam teaches English online. So if any of you guys want to learn English, because I don't know which country you're watching from, but if you want to learn English, you can search for Adam Webb on italki and he'll be your little English teacher. So that's
little what?
They're big English teacher.
What? Why that size even? What? You know what? No.
You're making things difficult.
You're making things weird.
Alright guys, if you want to learn English, Adam will be your teacher. Okay? So hit him up on italki. So guys, bye.
go back to what I was saying. Could be us.